How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good too. How was your day?
Yeah, my day was good. What about you?
Yes, it was quite productive. I have given time for my speaking practice, so that's why I'm saying it was productive. And I'm a housewife, so yeah, along with apart from this, it was as usual, nothing special.
Okay. So where are you
Yes.
from?
I'm from Maharashtra, currently connecting to you from Pune.
Pune. Okay.
Yeah, Pune. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So what do you do for your life?
Yes, I'm an IT graduate. I have 4 years of experience in IT field as a software developer. But after marriage and having kids, I left my job. So right now I am a homemaker. Yes, I look after
Oh,
them, my kids. Yes.
okay. So why do you learn English?
Okay. So when I was working in IT at that time, I was very weak. I was not good because I didn't get an environment of this language. I studied in my regional language, and suddenly when I start working at that time, my whole the lot of things change. Like I got a exposure of this language suddenly, and nowadays I have kids, so I want to learn from them also.
Okay. So when did you start learning speaking English?
For me, it's been more than 6 months. In the month of June, I joined, and at that time, I installed one app for speaking practice, which is Joy Skill app. There, I was doing audio speaking practice on audio calls with the learners. And nowadays, I installed this Skype. Yes, and there I started doing my video call conversations. Yes.
Okay. So that app just only for audio call?
Yeah, that was only for audio calls, and I took a subscription of 1 year. So it there was no any time limit. As much as we want, we can speak. Yes,
Okay. Okay. I understand. So
yeah.
so how many kids you have? Two?
I have two kids. Yes,
Okay.
they
So
are
how
studying
old?
now in primary school.
Primary school. So how old they are?
Yeah, my eldest daughter, she is 9 year old, and my son, he is 6 year old.
Okay. So can they speak in English?
Oh, they can manage. Even they are studying in English medium school. I can see they are not good in English. Yes, they are not able to speak in English. Yes,
So
yeah, but
you
they
can.
can manage. Yeah, yeah. If I ask them and it's something in English, they are able to answer it. Yeah, with their broken English, not perfect.
Okay. So you can practice your English with them every day. It will be helpful for
Yes,
you.
yes. Yeah, I
Okay.
do it, but sometimes it's not possible. uh, Continuously if they are in at home, so it's not happens with us because we have a lot of influence of our mother tongue. So yeah, that is why. Can you please
Okay. So
introduce
what?
yourself?
Okay. My name is Aminul Islam. I'm a student, and I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student as well as I'm doing a part-time job at a school. Right now, I'm doing my graduation. I'm a student of honors first year. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay. Wow, you are from Bangladesh. Okay.
Yeah. So do you have friend from Bangladesh?
No, I don't have. I don't have. Yeah, I have only one friend out of my state. Yeah, I am living here in Maharashtra. So I have only one friend out of state, not out of country.
Okay, so you have been practicing your English 6 months for 6 months. So you have friend from out of country?
No, no, I never tried with any foreigners. Yes, because still I have a fear. When I look them, I see them, I try to run away from them. I have a fear. speak with them. Yes.
Actually, when I was a beginner that time, I'm facing this problem, and right now I have lots of friends from out of my country.
Oh, wow. So, how did you make the friends out of the country, foreigners?
I actually maximum friend from India, and I talk with them on Skype app, and some friend I got from Facebook, and right now I'm talking with them on WhatsApp. So in this way, I met so many friends.
Wow. Okay. And how was your experience? Yeah, if we speak and something wrong, does they correct us or does they laugh? Like here in India, people are very judgmental. Yeah, even if we speak in Hindi and we do mistake, na, they'll not judge us. But if it comes to English, they start judging you. They'll laugh on you. They'll smile. Yeah, but yes.
Have you?
Have you ever spoke with any native speaker?
Yeah, every day I speak with them.
Okay. Hmm. So they are already good in their English, right?
Actually, not good at all. They also learning. They also learning. They also make mistake like me, like you. So it's very common. It's very
Okay.
common when we start to learn any language. It will mistake. So don't afraid to make mistake, and don't be shy to make mistake. It will happen.
Okay. Okay. So,
So
how was your day? Sir, tell me something about Bangladesh. I don't have any idea about your country. So, what is so
actually,
famous there? Yeah.
okay. Food. Do you want to know about food?
Yeah. Food, monuments. Yes. Weather. How is weather there?
Actually, right now in my country, the winter season is going on, and in my country, the most famous food is maybe biryani. Have you heard biryani?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
And if I
quite
talk,
famous here in India as well.
okay, if I talk about place, there are lots of places available in Bangladesh. It's very beautiful. So, have you ever been to Bangladesh? When
No, I
when
have
you are
not
when
been.
okay.
No, no,
So
not at
do you
all.
have
Yeah.
okay, so do you have any plan in future? Will you come to my country?
Yeah, I would like to come. Yes, I would like to. I want to explore our world. I want to go on world tour.
Okay.
Yes,
So so yeah, you like traveling.
yes, I like traveling. Yes, and in nearby city, I born and raised in Mumbai. So nearby city, I explore many places, but around my city only, not out of my
Okay.
city state. Yeah.
In India, there are lots of state and there are many beautiful places available. So
Yes, yes, yes.
what, hap- what about your husband? Your husband can speak English?
No, he's also not good in English. He can manage with the broken English. Yes, he's also IT graduate, but he also, like me, he had studied in the regional language. So, but he's not interested in learning this English. So I am also not forcing him. Why should I force him? This is my interest, so that's why I'm trying to learn. Yes.
Okay, so you are a graduated. So don't you feel like to do work at your home, like freelancing, any other works?
Yes, yes. I was working. I mentioned in my introduction, I was working in IT. For 4 years, I have an experience as a software developer. But after having kids, it was quite difficult for me. I am living here in nuclear family, so I don't have my in-laws here to look after them. Yes, to take care of them. If they are here, then I can easily go out and work. Yes, but they are not ready to keep them in a daycare facility. So that's the problem.
Okay, I understand.
Yes, yes.
So how long have you been using Skype app?
It's been more than 2 weeks. Yes.
2 weeks. Okay. So
Yeah.
how many conversation have you made on this platform?
Yeah. Till today's date, I didn't count it, but more than 15. Yes.
15. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. I'm
Okay.
not counting it, but daily I try to have more than two conversations on a video call.
Okay. So what do you do for improve your speaking English without make conversation on online?
Okay. So I do listening a lot, and with the listening, I do speaking practice. Yes, sometimes I watch cartoons in English, and I do reading as well. I'm fond of reading fiction books. So, but I don't get much time for reading. Yes, because I don't have any helper at home. I'm the only who does all the chores. So it's quite difficult for me to get a free time. So I get a very less time for reading, but I try to read at least 30 minutes in a day. Yes, so these are the practices I do.
Okay, it's very enough. And today I bought a newspaper, English newspaper for reading.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
I, I used to do reading when I was in school. At that time, I have joined one spoken English class. It was offline. Okay. So at that time, the teacher told us you should start reading the newspaper. It is quite helpful for you to speak. But they are using very difficult word, very complicated word and advanced word. So I was not able to relate it with if
Yeah.
in a like for a normal uh, uh, in our day to day